What's up? What's up? It's a beautiful day. Hey, listen, I've got a story for you and a lesson that I think will serve you well. So yesterday, long story short, I went to go lift something that was massively heavy, extremely heavy metal crate. And at the angle that I grabbed it, I went to go lift it up and it was sort of an awkward angle. And obviously my hand was flexed extremely hard trying to hold this heavy weight and lift it up. And as soon as I lifted it, all I could say is that it felt like, if you ever had a TENS unit, those little electrical shocking devices that you put on muscles, they do it a lot of like chiropractors' offices, things like that, kind of shocks your muscles. It felt like that. It was waves in my arm all the way down to my forearm, mixed with severe tearing of tissue, like muscles ripping. That's actually where I'm headed here shortly, is to an orthopedic place to get it looked at. Now, why am I telling you that? Because in life, we're going to have setbacks, whether that's physical setbacks, mental setbacks, financial setbacks, you name it. There are a million challenges that we face in our lives, especially when we're trying to do things that matter and do big things. We're going to have things in our life that set us back. But here's the most important part. My left arm is basically just about useless. I mean, I can pick up a cell phone. Anything heavier than that, I can't. Of course, I'm going to get it scanned and see exactly what damage happened today here shortly. But here's what I can say. In moments of setback, it's so important for us to reflect and have massive amounts of gratitude. Gratitude is something that is contagious. It elevates your energy level. It impacts the people that are around you. It affects your attitude and your mindset. Because here's the truth. I had a lot of pain last night going to sleep. I woke up this morning. Obviously, my arm problem is not just going to solve itself in 24 hours on its own. It's way beyond that. But here's the truth. I woke up this morning with an arm. Somebody else just got off of anesthesia from an operation where they had their arm removed. Countless people across the world literally lost an arm. And when you have that level of gratitude, you act different. You become antifragile, where setbacks almost don't even matter. Of course they matter. Of course we're going to go through things that are life altering, just like this. I mean, I don't even know what the road is for recovery ahead of me. Probably is going to require surgery, probably going to require a lot of stuff. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be anything that I want to go through. I didn't invite this into my life. I'm not excited about it. But the point of it is not that you turn setbacks into something that's glorious and great that you celebrate. No. That's not what I'm saying. That's stupid. The point that I'm trying to make is, when you wake up with that level of gratitude, when you've trained yourself to always figure out what's positive in life, what's going on that's good, what's going on that serves you. I still have an arm. It's still functional. It's maybe torn up, but I still have it. There are countless people across the world who would give anything to have a functional arm, even if it's hurting, even if it's torn up, and even if it's mostly useless. They would give anything just to have it back. And there's not just one person across the world in that scenario. There are countless, hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of people. I don't know the number, but a lot of people would die to be in the situation that I'm in right now. And so I've got gratitude. Can't put me down from an arm injury. It's not that big of a deal. It's a big deal, but it's not that big of a deal. I'm going to figure it out, get through it. It's just another day. It's just another thing. And something good's going to come from it, right? Maybe it'll slow me down some and allow me to reflect more. Something good and great is going to happen from it. So with that being said, I also want to share with you, we've got a lot of things going on with DeFiancy. So we are literally teaching mindset trainings kind of similar to this every single day with DeFiancy. Individuals that are trying to elevate and level up their financial life. They're trying to break out of the matrix, trying to break out of this crazy circumstance we find ourselves in, with inflation going crazy and bananas, with an election year and economic issues and rumors of wars, right? We have all this stuff going on. We literally help people level up their mind and level up their finances and take control. And one of the biggest things that we teach people to do is how to trade. Because if you know what you're doing and you're competent and you use some of the frameworks and the models that we teach, you literally can make money in any market, especially when you mix it with community. When you surround yourself by other individuals that are making those types of changes, then they collaborate and you get the collective mind behind what it is that you're doing in an intelligent way. So you could go to our Discord, go to discord.defiancy.finance. I'll put that link in the comments below. Join the Discord. We have daily mindset training almost 5 days a week. We have a layout literally telling people what to look for every week in the market with different levels that we show people. We do live trading sessions where you can actually watch and ask questions. It is freaking amazing. It's free to get in there. It's an amazing community and you're welcome to join. So again, it's discord.defiancy.finance. We would love to see you in there. But today, how can you express gratitude? Where are you struggling? Where are you depressed? Where are you down? In what area of your life? And how can you reframe that like I did with my arm? It doesn't take but just a moment. And this is a muscle. This is a skill set that you have to learn. For me, a big part of that has come from literally journaling almost every day. What are at least 3 wins I had for the day? And what are at least 3 things that I'm extremely grateful for? And if you start to flex that muscle and use it, you'll start to build it. And when you build up that gratitude, I'm telling you, everything will change. You'll be able to wake up literally less than 24 hours from a turn of events like what I just experienced and be in such a positive state of mind that you're anti-fragile, you're immovable, and you're ready to move forward even in the midst of a setback that you didn't know was coming. Listen, today's Monday. It's going to be the best week of your life if you choose for it to be. This is an opportunity for you to make moves, to grow, and to educate yourself and to make a difference in the life of another human being, to make a difference in your family, to put yourself in an economic environment where it doesn't matter the economy around you because you feel like you're in control of your own economy. And that's what I wish for you, is to have that resilient mindset that you can go out there and make anything happen. Because guess what? You can go out there and make anything happen, but only if you believe that to be true. Where can you flex your gratitude muscle today? Where can you start working on that? Change your mental frame that gives you power. Because if you're ungrateful, you've given up all of your power. You have to have a mindset of gratitude. So with that being said, how are you going to apply this? God bless you, and we'll see you in the Discord. Bye for now.